Hey, what up, bro? Hey, talk to him. What's up, man? I'm the guy from YouTube, on one.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, man.
Yeah, good.
On one.
Mike.
All right. Yeah, I saw you at the Rodder show.
Yeah.
You were clean too, man, with that all white on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. You were clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I spend most of my days being dirty, so
Yeah.
I gotta do something like this.
All white.
Yeah, that's right.
I could dig it. What year is this thing, man?
There's a 1970.
What are you doing with it?
Man, we are chopping all of the rust out of it. So, new floors, trunk pan right now, and we're doing a complete new floor, and then we'll come through and we'll get all of that rot out of it. It's a lot, a whole lot. So, we're taking all the rot out and making it look nice. So, cool guy that owns it.
What are you throwing under the hood?
It's got LS in it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's already in there.
Oh, sweet.
He's got the LS put in it.
Oh, yeah, he got some rust, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hold on.
Jesus. That's crazy. Good job cutting it out, though.
Yeah. So, we'll get that out. That's the new pan right there. Put the new pan in.
That's sweet.
Get it going. That's Joe.
What up, man? I'm on one.
Originally, it was a 1934 Nash. Supposedly, the story is that it was one of one. Only one in 1934 that got imported to Australia. A set of brothers came up with the idea. At that point in time, you couldn't import trucks in Australia. So they came with this idea that they would import sedans and then turn them into trucks. This one got imported into Australia in 1934 when it was brand new. The two brothers chopped it up, made it into a truck, and then it served life there for like 30 or 40 years as an ice truck.
Who threw the vet wheels on that?
Well, so it wound up back in the States, in Texas, in a field in Texas. The guy that owns it now bought it out of Texas, and he brought it to me, and we started talking about things. And so basically, it's the original 34 frame that's been retrofitted to Corvette front and rear suspension.
Sweet.
It's got an LS that's going in it.
Is it cool if I look around a little bit to kind of?
Yeah, look around, go in the back lot, walk around, film whatever you want to film.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, enjoy.
All right. Whoa. need to get together and shoot maybe like a miniature movie. It don't have to be anything long.
Yeah.
It could be like maybe you come to the shop, open the door, crank the car up, maybe.
Yeah,
you
just
know,
keep in touch. Yeah,
I
we'll
will.
get something worked out.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right. I'll see you later, bro.
Thanks a lot.
All right.